You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions right here on WCSUFM.org.
To all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby, baby. Shake it.
Thank you. Welcome back to Life with DJ Sessions. My NMLS number is 271823. Today's topic is variable income. I wanted to bring this up simply because there still seems to be in the marketplace a confusion around variable income. And so what is variable income? Well, it's income that's not guaranteed or fixed and fluctuates over time. One of the things that is important to understand when you're looking at the four pillars again as it relates to purchasing real estate, as a reminder, your credit, you've got your income, you've got your assets, and then you've got the collateral itself. The income piece really sometimes trips it up people a lot. And so I wanted to kind of bring this to attention, so I'll give you a great example. If you are, let's say, working fluctual hours, but all of a sudden you get a raise, you start making more money. And if you have not been getting that money for consistently 2 years, underwriting is going to cut back that income. And I know sometimes that doesn't seem fair, but it's kind of their way of saying, hey, well, if the income's variable and it's not consistent, we need to see a 2-year pattern of that, right? And so what are some positions that you think real estate agents, if you're in a sales position where you receive like any type of bonus or commission, Uber drivers, consultants, waiters, actors, investors, business owners, delivery drivers, and so there's a lot of different ways of us trying to verify the income. But if it's not, hey, I received a $20,000 raise because I'm a new position, right? That's not the same as maybe working a bunch of overtime, or not the same as receiving a commission maybe once a month, every 3 months. So there's different versions of variable income, but just kind of be mindful of that factor when you're looking to purchase a home. This again has been another lesson in financial empowerment. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions. Special thanks goes to Wade Oberlin of OnOurOwnRadio.com, Charles Fox, K-Divas Music Media, and the BDG Network. For more lessons in financial empowerment, stay tuned right here on WCSUFM.org for more Life with DJ Sessions.